How much is the passing score required for PMP exam? Is it 65%, 70% or 80%? You would be surprised to know that all of these could be the right answers. Yes, you heard it right. You can pass the PMP exam with a score of 65% or 75%. How? Let's find out in this video. Welcome to this comprehensive video where we will demystify the concept of the PMP passing score. If you are an aspiring project management professional, you must have wondered about the elusive passing score for the PMP certification exam. Well, fret no more as we explore all aspects of the passing score in detail. The passing score for the PMP exam has undergone changes over time. In the past, it was known to be 61%. It briefly changed to 81%, causing a drastic drop in the pass rates. After a few days, it reverted back to 61%. So the percentages which I just told you was up to 2005. In year 2005, the PMI stopped disclosing the exact passing score, making it a loosely guarded secret. To understand the passing scores better, let's dive into the PMP exam format. The PMP exam consists of 180 questions, with 15 being pre-test questions that don't contribute to your final score. These pre-test questions are included to validate the exam pattern for future tests. What makes the passing score dynamic is the diverse array of questions in the exam. Some questions are easy, some are moderate, and others are challenging. The software randomly selects 180 questions for each candidate from a vast question pool. Now here's the interesting part. Depending on the difficulty level of the questions you receive, the passing score can vary. So, if you receive mostly difficult questions, you may need to score around 60 to 65% to pass. If you encounter mostly moderate questions, you need to aim for 65 to 70 correct answers. And if you face mostly easy questions, you should target around 70 to 75% to pass. However, please remember that these percentages are just guidelines and not etched in stone. The passing score for each candidate is determined based on the specific questions they received during the exam. Instead of getting fixated on the exact passing score, focus on thorough preparation. Aim to score around 80% in your practice exams to increase your chances of success. The result of the PMP exam is given on a PMP exam score report. This report grades the candidate's performance for each of the three domains: people, process, and business environment. The grading is done on a 4-point scale. Above target, this indicates that the candidate's performance exceeds the minimum requirements for the exam in that specific domain. Target, this means the candidate performance meets the minimum requirements for the exam in that specific domain. Below target, this suggests that the candidate's performance is slightly below the target and does not meet the minimum requirements for the exam in that specific domain. Additional preparation is recommended before re-examination. Needs improvement. This indicates that the candidate's performance is far below the target and does not meet the minimum requirements for the exam in that specific domain. Additional preparation is strongly recommended before re-examination. Our ultimate goal is to empower you with the knowledge, skills, and confidence needed to excel in the PMP exam, no matter the difficulty level of the questions. So if you are ready to embark on your journey to become a certified project management professional, join us. We will provide you with a treasure trove of knowledge, practical tips, and real-world examples to support you along the way. You can check us out using the link in the description. Thank you for watching.